Yo, I gotta say though, these Galaxy phones, man, they record some good video. You know, I'm walking around just holding it in my hand, and I feel like it's pretty steady. So, shout out to that, you know. But look at all the purples, everything coming to life. I love it. Another big old tree. Look at that. You know, the way the forest should have been. Should have been left, actually. This is such an awesome time to be in this area. You know, just amazing. Here's a little off trail to the little offshoot of the trail. The other trail's right over there, but I prefer to be in the thick of things, you know? And it walks right next to the creek. See, right back onto the trail. Boom. In this park, I've seen one of the biggest woodpeckers of my life. I mean, this thing had to be a foot tall. I got a picture of it. I could prove it. Thing was just massive. I had no clue that birds like that got that big, because in my youth I only seen little basic ass woodpeckers, man. But that thing, sheesh, you know. I actually had to stop and just let it do its thing. Let it fly off, or I kept moving. But yeah, look at this. You can't beat this. You can't beat this by the city. Look at the size of that. See how most things you'll just notice whenever trees fall, they just cut them out the way. I like that. That's how it should be. You don't need to be modifying a bunch of stuff. It's not our place, you know?